Carla Reed was dating a local police officer named Jake O'Connell. On the night of January 28, 2022, they had been drinking together. Around midnight, Carla says she dropped Jake off at a house party at 34 Hilltop Road in a quiet suburb. The house was owned by another officer, Ben Alford. Carla claims Jake walked toward the house and she drove home. The next morning, she couldn't reach him. Around 5 a.m., she and a friend drove back to the house. That's when they found Jake lying face up in the snow on the front lawn, unresponsive. He was rushed to the hospital but didn't make it. Carla was later arrested and charged with second-degree murder, manslaughter while driving under the influence, and leaving the scene of an accident. Prosecutors say she hit him with her SUV while making a three-point turn, left him in the snow, and drove home drunk. But Carla says she's being framed. Her lawyers claim Jake never made it into the house, and that something happened to him at the party. Several people were there that night, including officers Ben Alford and Ryan Higgins. The defense believes the timeline doesn't add up, phone records were deleted, and some evidence may have been manipulated. The case blew up online after a forensic digital expert named Shannon Burke admitted in court that she changed her report mid-trial to contradict another expert. Then it was revealed she never even had a real college degree, raising serious questions about every case she ever worked on. One of the key pieces of evidence was a hair found on Carla's taillight. Prosecutors said it was Jake's, but critics pointed out how unlikely it would be for a single hair to cling to a snowy moving car, and whether that proved anything at all. Carla pleaded not guilty and began speaking out publicly. She claimed she's the scapegoat in a cover-up, and said Jake's injuries didn't match being hit by a car. He had blunt force trauma to the head and arm, but little blood. Some believe he was attacked, and his body placed outside after. After weeks in court, the jury couldn't agree. The judge declared a mistrial, no verdict. Now the public is asking, was this an accident or a cover-up involving multiple officers? Carla's future is still uncertain, but one thing is clear. The case has exposed deep questions about trust, transparency, and how far people will go to protect their own.